So do you get many people asking if it like comes off easily or?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
It's pretty common, but just because the nature of the product is it's not clipped in, it's not glued in, nothing's really holding it onto your head.
Yeah, they're like, how
So
does
people are
this...
like, that must fall off. I don't trust it.
Okay.
And like
Yeah.
whenever someone puts it on, they're like, wow, I just didn't think it would feel like this.
Yeah.
Like it feels so like a headband almost.
Yeah.
But probably more secure because your hair's over the top holding it in place.
Yeah.
And like we sort of explained earlier, the best position for it would be to have that wire, you know, an inch or so away from your hairline. And then if you turn your head to the side, you can see if I hold that still and push that down, how perfect and snug that is. Like shake your head
Yeah.
kind of thing. It's not moving.
It's not, yeah.
But if you were to place the wire too far back, so turn your head again to that side. If I was to go like there,
It would just like,
yeah,
pop off.
see how that's just like
And-
hanging off the back of your head? It's just
Yeah.
like there's no way that that's going to stay on. So again, it's really about getting that wire to sit where it needs to and just really holding those sides still so that this front section doesn't slip back when
Yeah.
you're trying to make it feel secure. And then pushing that down again is just the perfect position.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter, like you can have it a little bit looser than this, as long as it's not too far back. It's just personal preference. Like
Yeah.
I actually wear mine quite loose so that there's a little bit of space at the back there,
Okay.
but that's just my personal preference.
Yeah.
Whereas some people like to have it
like
really tight. So if I move that even closer,
yeah.
that's really close.
That would
But
be
see
like-
how that's really tight now?
Yeah.
But it's just a matter of, because I've moved that closer,
Okay. Yeah.
it's so much tighter.
Yeah.
Just making sure, I guess, that when you're pulling the hair over, that you're coming to the side rather than like up like this, because if you come up, the halo might start lifting as
Okay.
you pull the hair over.
Yeah.
And it can get a little bit messy when you first start pulling your hair over. But once you comb it all out, it'll look fine. So even if it does feel a little bit loose, it won't fall off because it'll still be in those positions, and the way it's positioned will just make it feel quite secure. Yeah, perfect. Did it move? Did it move?
Nah. It's perfect still.
Just shake your head like this, and then go. One bit.
Still there.